sweet cookies. But hey, have you ever wondered what happens when we put sugar or salt in water? Do they disappear like magic? Hee hee! Let's try me and see, Bunny! Woo! Woo! Did you see that, friends? The glass can talk. Okay, let's test it together. Okay, friends, let's test sugar first. Hey, where did it go? Kids, did you see that it disappeared? Not gone, it mixed with me. That's called Soluble. Now let's test salt. Wow, salt disappeared too. It must be soluble as well. That's right, Bunny. Salt loves to mix with me. Okay, time to test sand. Ew, the sand sank but didn't mix. Correct, Bunny? Sand is insoluble. It doesn't dissolve. It's Oil's turn now. Ooh. Hee hee! Look, the oil is floating like balloons. Yes, Bunny, oil is insoluble. It never mixes. It just floats around. And finally, let's test my toy car. It's still sitting at the bottom. It didn't disappear at all. That's right, the toy car is insoluble too. So kids, remember, sugar and salt dissolve. They hide in water.